How to get an SBA loan for a startup. For this update, retail store financing can come in the form of financing leasing and businesses seeking working capital in the structure of a cash merchant advance and or emergent cash loan. Today's financing market is very liquid in presenting retail businesses leasing financing. Most bank monies are better off served in different industries from a risk-reward factor. However, there are niche banks out there that will entertain retail store financing but usually need the applicant to have at least a minimum of 1 to 2 years' time in business. For the most part, startups don't have a chance unless their personal credit score are over 700 and are ready to pledge additional collateral to the arrangement with added clear and free assets. The banks that finance retail store financing will properly offer up to $50,000 application only, and over that amount full financial and tax disclosure would be mandatory. Accepted leases can run between 24-60 months with various buyout clauses. Bookstores, sporting goods stores, clothing stores, pizza shops, men and women's apparel stores, discount stores, pharmacies and drug stores, fast food restaurants, music stores, video stores, franchise restaurants, mail centers, pet grooming stores, dry cleaners, tanning salons, etc. The first question a lot of people are asking is, what is emergent cash advance? An established business in existence for 1 year or more with Visa and MasterCard sales can qualify for a loan or merchant cash advance on their previous activity up to $150,000 from a financial institution and $750,000 or more per location from a true merchant cash advance company. The monthly average of their Visa and MasterCard sales x 1.5 will be a qualifying amount that the bank will finance up to. Some cash merchant advance companies will finance up to $750,000 per location. This is a skillful way for a business to get hold of working capital. Most conventional financial institutions shy away from the retail industry. These cash merchant advances loans are great for businesses that have seasonal cash flow needs that are capitalized properly and call for more time to achieve their sales base of credit issues that can't be overcome at the bank, businesses that want instant cash now, and apparently lots of other factors tailored to specific businesses. These banks aren't FICO-driven and are attracted in past Visa MasterCard sales for the prior 6 months. Usually the company's bank statements, the merchant processing statements, and a signed application are required to start the lending process. Once the financial institution has received these requirements, a decision can be made fairly quickly, usually within 24-48 hours. Beyond an acceptance, the money is usually funded within 7 business days. The next obvious question is, how does the client repay back a loan or cash merchant advance? It is from the impending card sales. A small piece is paid back each day to pay back the financial institution. This is important because there are no balloon payments or monthly payments to consider. The financial institution calculates a little repayment per day that can last up to 1 year. Locating available capital, whether through leasing and working capital, can be very complicated in today's times. The cash merchant advances loans can offer the seasoned business a unique opportunity to obtain funds without all the red tape conventional lending institutions demand.